At GWI, we provide the TN Series tool for installation of hex head bolts using the turn nut method. These tools are also available for rent or for purchase, and I'm going to show you what you're going to get. When you order the wrench from us, you will get a case. Inside the case, you will get some stickers, a safety card, a cord chart that also has some additional information on the back, and the user manual. You'll also get a short screwdriver to be able to change sockets. You'll get a little skinny screwdriver that allows you to change the angle setting dials. And finally, you'll get the tool, which typically comes with a socket of your choosing. To set your angle setting dials, you'll use the small skinny screwdriver, placing it in the dial where the notches are and turning. Not all of the TN tools come with reverse. We can install those for you, and you'll find the switch on the bottom of the tool when they are installed. Accessories include additional sockets, the X-holder extension for those hard reach areas, and your DTM, which stands for digital torque meter, and it will actually give you a reading of the torque value in motion. The cord chart, which also has some information on the back of the cord chart. That was upside down. They'll notice.